Hey guys, welcome to Streckhawk. In this video, we are going to unbox the Casio W89HB-5AV. Let's get to it. So really, such a simple unboxing. Just put the box and the watch is right there. And as you see, a very, very nice, classy, and simple watch. It says Illuminator on top. It has the lights over here, nice and vibrant. And see over here is stainless steel. The watch is resistant, 50 meters water resistant, which is like 165 feet. And has this leather over here, and the resin band. Have a little bit of plastic on the side, but it's nice, you know. Dials are pretty big. Yeah, nice and comfortable. And this, let's see, got brand new Casio. Got the simple packaging of Casio with their manual and the warranty, basic stuff. And let's get to the watch. The watch is very casual and nice. It has this nylon band. The dimensions are 4.8 by 3.2 to 3.2 inches. It's a nice brown, you know. Has a little inside. It's kind of like a beige white. It's a pretty nice touch to it. It's very comfortable. Feels really premium in the hand. As you see in the back is stainless steel. A very nice product, as you can see. And as I said before, it's water resistant. Has a pretty cool watch, and yep. The worst thing about this watch is navigating through it. You know, the stopwatch is kind of hard to get it, and these buttons, I can tell you, are really not the best ones you can get, but for the price, it's amazing, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Streckhawk out.